Confetti 707Z traces back to Grand Prix mare Diamantina van Ruytershoofd. This colt is sired by the outstanding Chaco Blue and was bred out of the international 140 level horse Odile van Ruytershoofd. This mare by Gilbert van Ruytershoofd is a granddaughter of the famous Grand Prix show jumping mare Diamantina van Ruytershoofd, who is the full sister of the Olympic stallion Emerald of Harry Smulders. Diamantina van Ruytershoofd has foaled international performing offspring, including Olivier Philippas's 1.60 m stallion Le Blue Diamond van Ruytershoofd, who competed in the European Championship, and the 155 level performer Harold van Ruytershoofd.